people talk about the East Syriac identity of the Syro-Malabar Church like it was something reconstructed recently. But historically, the connection goes well over 1,000 years. One of the earliest outside witnesses is a 6th century traveler named Cosmas Indiclebus. When he described India around 520 to 525 AD, he recorded Christians on the Malabar coast and said that their bishops were ordained in Persia. So by the early 6th century, the Christians of India were already ecclesiastically connected to the Persian Christians, from which the East Syriac tradition developed. And then we get something even more concrete. In 1301, an actual East Syriac liturgical manuscript was copied in Kodangal, Kerala. Today we call it Vatican Syriac Codex 22. It was a Pauline lectionary made for the Malabar Church, and its readings follow the liturgical system used at Beth Koki in Seleucia, one of the greatest centers of the Church of the East. The manuscript even follows the traditional East Syriac liturgical seasons: Annunciation and Nativity, Epiphany, Lent, Resurrection, Apostles, Summer, Elijah, Cross, and Dedication of the Church. And remember, that's almost 200 years before Vasco da Gama arrived in India. So the East Syriac identity of the St. Thomas Christians was not something created by the Portuguese, and it definitely wasn't something invented by modern Syro-Malabar liturgical restoration. By the medieval period, we have evidence literally written down in Kerala itself, and the ecclesiastical connection goes back even further. This is part of what St. Thomas Christians actually inherited.